Workflow at a standstill because of the Skinmagic library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix AppFace conflict for good. To kick off the Skinmagic library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Skinmagic library, the SkinMagic UI toolkit library. It facilitates localized hardware-accelerated skinning of localized Win32 application windows. It allows localized software to have custom localized visual borders and localized button templates without using localized system themes. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Errors related to Skinmagic library DLL often mean the internal AppFace configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A simple restart can resolve file and use errors that mimic a missing Skinmagic library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Most individual downloads of Skinmagic library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on Skinmagic library. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Skinmagic library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.